So I start by sending a private message to myself. I will click here to get the process started, and I will deselect the circadians, which is a group that I belong to that I was sending a private message to. So now I'll type in hello, and then I will go here to select who I'm going to send it to. I will type my name and choose one of my other profiles, and then I will choose to disable reshares, which means that person that I'm sending it to can't enable reshares, and this would mean that this would disable comments, so they can neither share nor comment on the post that I'm sending to them. So it's a private message. The only thing you got to remember is to change the type of message from private to whatever type you want, whether it's public, circle, or community, when you come back to do another post. But when you send it to, I'm going to go ahead and send this, but when you send it to a community, it's a completely different thing. When you send it to a community, what happens is, I'll choose the circadians again here, and this is a private community. And I'm going to be presented a drop-down menu where I choose. That drop-down menu will allow me to choose what category that I'm going to post that to in the community. If it's a private community, you won't have to enable or disable reshares over here, because they are disabled by default from a private community. In a public community, that's not true. You can share outside of a public community, but you cannot share outside a private community. So let's take a look at that message I sent to myself. Here it is right here. If you'll notice, I'm not able to share it. I'm not able to make any comments on it. I'm not able to do anything like that. Here is one that I sent to myself that I did not disable comments on, and I could comment, but I cannot share. If the ability to share one, you'll have this little sign right here. This gives you the ability to share a post. But this one and this one do not have that because sharing was disabled.